Hi, I'm Anoushka and I'm a student at UAlbany, New York. My classes with Alex Brown has been very inspiring and has helped me with my confidence and also intellectually because we've been learning a lot of methods and different actors over the time, and we've also gone through a lot of periods of actors from the 90s, etc. So it's been very influential in my daily life. I feel more liberated in my speaking skills and also just in general, and body language, and also just talking in general. And even as an actor, I feel like reading a script or even memorizing lines and working with different people has been very easy, especially in Zara Stars. Zara Stars has introduced me to a lot of good people, especially my peers and my instructor, and has helped me with my confidence and just my speech and a lot of different aspects that are needed for an actor. I recommend Zara Stars to anyone who wants to join a quick acting course or just needs to get themselves more worked up and just more informed of different acting styles and actors.